So, this Ukrainian soldier ended up in this crazy close-quarters fight, right? 3 Russian paratroopers against just him, and somehow he came out on top. The combat footage got posted on the Morok channel, that's the 225th Assault Regiment. What happened was, aerial reconnaissance spotted this group of Russian assault troops moving in toward where the Ukrainian fighters were positioned. The Ukrainian drone operators back at command were watching everything unfold in real time, feeding intel about where these Russian forces were going. With that live information coming in, the Ukrainian forces managed to set up an ambush and take out the assault group. So picture this, a Russian soldier, completely alone, crossing this massive open field near Pokrovsk. The sun's beating down, and eventually he just collapses into the tall grass. Maybe he was on a mission, maybe the heat got to him, we don't know. But here's the thing, high above there's a Ukrainian FPV drone quietly watching. The soldier has no idea. The drone adjusts, drops down, and that's it. Quick, precise, over in seconds. What this shows us is how effective these Ukrainian FPV systems have become. They handle extreme heat, wide open terrain, and they're devastatingly accurate.